everyone. Today we are going to make pad sukre. It's really easy to make. So let's get started.